Okay, Raven. Thank you for watching, and as always, bye! Hello everyone, it's Angel here, and today we are going to be opening a Champions chest and a weekly chest. So we're going to open those. So wait, okay. Last week we have a chance of getting some okay kind of, so we cannot get this outfit because we already have the outfit, but we can get this actually quite nice hair because we don't have it. We can get this bird, this tack which we do not want, a pink llama which is actually quite cute. I wouldn't mind getting that. And there's obviously the really nice horses. So the sage Pegasus looks very nice, and so does the shifting Frisian and the frozen Frisian as well, which any of these horses from this week look very pretty and very nice. So hopefully we'll get one. So we're going to start with the weekly chest. Okay, gems, gold, wood.